Is there a person in your life that you would go and tell just about anything to? Let's think about that a minute. Any problem that you might be going through, personally or relationally, you would go to them. I mean, anything. Literally anything. Any outside your control circumstance or your reaction to a bad circumstance and where you're at, your struggle. Are there people you wouldn't go to? How many people would you go to versus we wouldn't go to, right? You see, that's what's going on in the mind of the sheep too. They're looking, who can I trust? How do they come up with that? One is they have to believe that you care, right? I mean, you care about me, right? Yeah. How do you show that you care to them? Outside, public times, do you talk with them? Do you remember their needs, right? Pastors, I sympathize because there's so many people to remember. Prayer helps you do that though, right? You're praying for people, you remember their needs. How do you show you care? James 1:19-20 says, be quick to listen, slow to speak. Have you ever thought you're going to get help from somebody and you shared with them something and they quickly concluded something that pushed you away from sharing more? Don't be that to people. Show you care.